Hello everyone, today is 23rd of August and today I'll make a serious discussion. So, in the last 3 days, even including today, so Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday today, I helped you make 1,22,000 from more than 1,22,000 from 1 lakh. Okay, so if you would have आपने अगर 1 लाख दिया होता तो वो बन गया होता 2,22,000. Okay, I'll show you with proof. Okay, I'm not claiming anything, and this calculation is just using simple interest, not even compounded. Okay, if I do compounding, it will become much more. But let's do simple interest calculation. Monday, I gave you this analysis in the morning, and the prices jumped by more than 45%. But let's take 45. Okay, just go and check. And it's not like I gave you like my 3 to 4 trades or anything like 2 went wrong, 3 went correct. Only one perfect trade. Okay, that went 45%. So 1 lakh went to 1,45,000. Correct? Okay. Monday. Now again, let's come to yesterday. So yesterday's analysis I gave this in the at 12:37 p.m. and it went up like the price went up by 37.7%. 0.7% छोड़ दो, leave it. 37%. 1 lakh becomes 1,37,000. Correct? So 45,000 plus 37,000. Today, come in the morning. Where is this? Here, this one. Just check the time. Okay. So 9:37 a.m. So 9:37 a.m. Where was Nifty? So just at its almost. So this is 9:35 to 9:40. Even during the last candle, it went slightly up. So you got time to take if you wanted to take the trade. So anyway, again at the top, I said, okay, you know what to do. Just sell. Now here, so Nifty was at around 19,411. 90,400, the put price was even below 57. I am just taking 57. So from 57, within just 15 minutes, it went to 81. Okay. So 1 lakh is becoming 1,42,000. It's a 42% jump. 1 lakh is becoming 1,42,000 in 15 minutes. And even after that, if you are waiting for anything, then what is it? You are waiting for that 1 lakh to become 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, whatever. So you should also know the risk. Okay. So this is stock market. There is always risk. Okay. So if you want, I got 42,000 in 15 minutes, just giving 1 lakh, and still I am waiting. So then you know. Why I was waiting, I'll tell you. Okay. So the major point is that let's now calculate. So I'm just doing simple interest. 45, 37 plus 37,000 plus today, I'll forget 42, 40,000. 1,22,000. Okay. Not even compounded. Compound कर दूंगा तो मतलब बहुत बढ़ जाएगा. Let's be realistic. For 1,22,000. So your 1 lakh becomes 1,22,000 and with just single trades. Okay, only one trade and a perfect trade. So that's the major point. Okay, that I take my positions when I get signals and they do work. Okay, they do work. They perfectly work. But yes, I was waiting for more, so market did not give more. Market took away the profits. Like today, if suppose 1 lakh is becoming 1,42,000 in 15 minutes, then if it becomes even 1,20,000 also with this some kind of reversal, okay, then also you should have closed, right? At least 20,000 profit is also a good option. So anyways, just for free I gave you this, and now try to understand that why I am why I was waiting. So in the money call writers were there, that's why I was waiting, and I have the capacity to wait. Okay, so this thing that is totally data was bearish, market suddenly reversed. This thing happened last on June. Then I had a loss. Okay, and after that the whole of July, आप तो मतलब एक ट्रेड देख रहे हो दिन में, ठीक है. द होल ऑफ जुलाई आई शोड so many trades each day, every day, like all went with 100% accuracy. Only like I can remember like 3 to 4 trades over the whole month. Over the whole month, 3 to 4 trades. Where I mean, I took like more than like 200 trades. Only 3 to 4 trades went wrong. Okay. So that was the accuracy in July. August first 2 weeks again. The accuracy was 100%. 100%, I can proudly say that. Third week, a little bit damage was there, and this is the fourth week. Okay, so now you think that like with such trades, within 3 days, if 1 lakh becomes 2 lakh 22,000, so like with so many trades from the whole month of July, August first 2 weeks, and even on the third week also we had like many 2x, Infinity we had 2x or something, like we had nice profit. So anyways, I leave that. So I had a lot of profits during that time, so I can take the risk. I have the risk appetite. So you should also decide on your risk appetite. Okay, so the thing is that today it will prove that if you want such analysis or not. So if you want, like it, or otherwise I don't have anything to say. Okay, so the other data points. Okay, so let's show how the indicators worked. Yeah, so here the score jumped, okay, and then again finally the score came down, and the thing is that I mean there is a little bit of gap. So finally like the score sharply came down, though it went up, because here also in Bank Nifty also the scores sharply came down and there is a gap. So data points are suggesting that like up move is still not a very like going long is still not a very good option. There is still a chance of some down move. Okay, and so the levels are perfectly working for Nifty. 19,472, I stated this level, 19,439. So all these levels, like it went to 19,472, got resistance, came down and took support at this level. Let's see if this level sustains or not tomorrow. For Bank Nifty, 44,288, it like crossed this level and then went a little bit near the next level, 44,590. Okay, and now talking about FIIs have bought, and in yeah, so I mean the money flow is positive, 504. So I'll show why. So, and in stock also it's a little bit positive. So here let's come. I'll show why. So now here, that is why, because in futures we have like they are little bit making positions, the FIIs, and they are also little by little closing their future short positions. In like prop decks are like totally bearish. They have made future short positions, so they are in short time bearish, and that's the reason like Nifty came down, because the huge short positions were being made by some big players. In futures the score came down, and they also closed their futures long positions. So prop decks bearish, FII is overall bearish, but I mean slowly they are building up long positions. Coming to option chain, if you see here, that is FIIs, they haven't done any call buying. Okay, why? Because they are sitting with their call writing positions. They have today also initiated some call writing positions, and with those huge call writing positions, they are still sitting there. And prop decks, they have done a huge amount of put writing, and so like the futures position, don't take them like tomorrow the move has to come. The futures position can wait anyways. So the main major position is prop decks have done call buying, so prop deck, and also huge put writing. So prop decks are bullish. And talking about FII's position, so FIIs are like I mean equal, like they have equal positions on both the sides, so they need both the side moves so that they can exit all these I mean positions with profits. And yeah, so that's the overall analysis, overall view of the whole I mean FI's positions. Okay, and talking about the option chain. So in the morning, like 19,300, many like the change in OI was more than 17 lakhs. So they were making short positions there, but I think many people, like, the major problem that happened today was that gap down did not happen. Okay, like every day selling is going on, and Nifty is working without logic actually. Every day selling is going on at the last 30 minutes. Okay, even in the morning also there was a nice selling. Okay, even you see here selling is going on, but Nifty is like going staying where it is. Okay, and it's not going down anyways. And also today in the money call writers were present, and they closed almost half of their positions. So that's why I was also thinking of bearishness. But what happened was too many retail traders got bearish because they got the chance to become bearish because no gap down. Okay, so and yesterday I think most of the channels gave bearish view, and with no gap down, so that was the major problem. And that's why, like, since many retail traders, when they go in same direction, move doesn't come, and nothing can be done about that. And yeah, so again 19,400 is a major level for Nifty tomorrow. And for Bank Nifty again, also in the money call writers are still trapped in Bank Nifty. And talking about the advance to decline ratio, so it's again like declines are increasing, advances are flat, but nothing very conclusive from there. Okay, so anyways, like my battery died, so yeah, so for Bank Nifty the major level would be 44,500 or below. Even like some of the call writers are 44,400 are trapped. So anyways, like again the major positions are being taken in Nifty, and here still some call writers are in the money, are trapped. So let's see. And but put writers, these Propdex put writers are present there, so we have to be careful. Okay, and talking about here also, like I mentioned what the update was, that is I said that both the sides, the writers are present now, and it would be a nightmare for the option buyers. So for option buying opportunities I'll see, but it would be a little risky for now for option buyers to take trades, and we might not get any particular direction of directional trade, because both the sides huge writers are present. So market can give sudden moves on either side, but ultimately stay flat or a little bit of bearish or bullish, because Propdex have taken bullish position. So anyways, so that's my whole analysis, and I'll see what signal I get tomorrow. And yeah, so not only that, like if you understood, like within 3 days, if you can do this, convert 1 lakh to 2,22,000. So with all these 100% accuracy trades over the last the last month, and then the first 2 August expiry, so how much member can make. Okay, so I won't be stating anything more, and I only charge 15,000 for the whole year. Okay, where like a person on Twitter who follows me on Twitter can make on 3 days he or she can make 1,22,000 from 1 lakh. So if you want, you can follow me on Twitter for live updates. And yeah, and if you like my analysis, so you can put a like or leave it. Anyways, so it's up to you. You decide whether you want my analysis or not. And thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.